Hey y'all, it's me and I'm back with another video today. And by that title, you already know what it's gonna be about. I'm finna do a review on this, y'all. Guess look what came in. I've been wanting this, y'all. I want to see how it work. I want to see what the hype is about. So without further ado, we're gonna get this thing started. So guys, at this point, I'm just putting on my Cream of Nature detangling spray so that I won't have any nicks when I'm combing out my hair. Yep, I'm just doing it, y'all. Just keep on spraying, 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 and spraying.
Just in the things that I believe. So I ask myself, do I let you go? Do I keep you in the frame of my mind?
So guys, I'm going to keep doing the same routine and I'm going to show you the results in a minute.
Nothing sweet about my misery. I finally found what went wrong. I finally found the wrong in you. I finally found what went wrong. I finally found the wrong in you. Don't want to feel you. Don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you. Don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you. Don't want you on my mind. On my mind. On my mind. Mind. You again? Why'd you call? I don't need to hear you crying out my name. Unlike before, when you and I lay eye to eye, now it's time for you to taste the bitter end. So I ask myself, do I let you go? Do I keep you in the frame of my mind? Now I'm growing wise to your sugar-coated lies. Nothing sweet about my misery. I finally found what went wrong. I finally found the wrong in you. I finally found what went wrong. I finally found the wrong in you. Don't want to feel you. Don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you. Don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you. Don't want you on my mind. On my mind. On my mind. Mind. If you were everything I wanted you to be, when I saw what you did, who you were with, got me questioning the things that I believe. So I ask myself, do I let you go? Do I keep you in the frame of my mind? Now I'm growing wise to your sugar-coated lies. Nothing sweet about my misery. I finally found what went wrong. I finally found the wrong in you. I finally found what went wrong. I finally found the wrong in you. Don't want to feel you. Don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you. Don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you. Don't want.
Ooh, look at all this hell, y'all. But yep, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And we'll see y'all soon.